Hello guys, today we will learn that how to make different conditions without using if else. So here I'll make my file switch.c name. .c is the C programming file extension, and in this file I'll basically use switch statement. Like if I'll type switch, then you all say switch. This shaded format is a switch statement format, and if I erase it and do different operation on two numbers, then I will make my program. Initially I'll include my studio.h and then start my main program, open my curly brackets, and initially take choice because uh, because of this choice I will do different operation like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and last is division. Multiplication, and the fourth one is our division. So guys, हमारे यहाँ choices हमने लिख दिए, and then we will simply print the text and say the user that enter their choice, and this choice is scanned in our declared integer variable choice by using format specifier inside the double quotes, and we are giving the address to it, and then uh, if uh, I if I will consider that user input the choice as first dot addition, then I will say to the user that user inputs two number, and that number I'll store in this variable integer type variable num1 and num2. I will give simply a statement to the user that user have to enter second number and the first number, sorry. If user enter first number, then I will scan this number and stored in variable num1 for my further processing. Then again printf, I will say to user that user have to input second number, enter the second number. When user input is second number, then I'll scan this number and store this number in variable num2. So I'll use here %g format specifier for integer type variable, and stored this second number at address of integer type num2 variable, and then finally I'll take switch statement. I'll take switch statement, and in this statement I'll write my expression. My expression is what? My expression is choices. Choice is my expression. Then I will write here cases, and cases is present like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And if user input case number 1, then I will say to the user, not say, I'll directly print sum of number is %d slash n comma num1 plus num2. And then after this I'll use my second case second. In this case I will directly print subtraction of number is %d slash n is for new line, and num1 minus num2. गाइस एक बात और बताऊंगा मैं आपको यहाँ पे, that we will use break statement in every case, because there is a reason, because it's come under the effective programming. If we want to do programming in effective manner, then we have to decide what processing is done by a compiler and how much data is going to be stored in the compiler. If there is any condition in which we are going to deduce or deduct the memory allocation, then our programming is going to be affected a lot, and we also become a good programmer if we do such kind of processing. It's come in effective programming. In case if I will give condition number 1, then my compiler check condition number 1 is true, then it prints directly case 1 and break. Means there is no need of allocation of more and more processing inside the memory. It means I will here using a effective programming. It's come under the effective programming. And here division of number %d slash n comma num1 divided by num2. Then I'll break. If condition is not true, then print this statement and directly break. In case if I will give wrong input like 5, 6, means not come under the range of 1, 2, 3, 4, then I will print wrong input, enter right choice, and not I will break here, I will give main, because I will call here my main program. Like in case I will give different number excluding 1, 2, 3, 4, then my compiler pointed at default value and its input, wrong input and the right choice, and directly it allocate main program. Like initially we are come at this main program and whole processing are running. So here program is complete with written 0, and I will save it, and I think there is an error, here is an error, I will rectify it, and my program has no any kind of error. Now I will run it. See here in this output window it will say 1, 2, 3, 4 as a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So I will take 1 and enter. Then it say enter the first number, then I will take 45, enter second number, I will again take 45, then the sum of this 90. In case if I will give, see here, if I will give not 1, 2, 3, 4, I will give 5, then what happens? See here, it say enter the first number, then I will take okay 45, enter the second number, then I will take okay 78. It will say wrong input, enter the right choice, and again it print one dot addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or it will say us that enter their choices. It means if our compiler goes at default value, then it will print our simple text wrong input, enter the correct choice, and it will point it at our main program. Here we call, guys listen carefully, here in this case we call our main function again. What is our main function? Main function is the main function that is written in the following code. Whole code is written inside the main function, so I will call it again and again. In case there is a correct condition, then it will break, or otherwise it will call main function. So I will take here 1, then I will like 45, then I will like 70, then 123 is the sum of my numbers. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video.